Welcome back. We're here to talk about the tabs section of the browser. I've logged in as a citizen and I'm going to direct your attention to this button called Tabs in the left-hand corner. If I click on it, it opens up a window of control tabs. These control tabs may be visible already to you. Great. If not, we want to hold them in place. If I move my mouse to the 3D window, notice they close again. So let's mouse back over and click on the push pin to hold them in place. Notice that the 3D window resized itself automatically to accommodate the tabs. The first tab we're looking at is the World List tab. This shows all the operational worlds in the universe at this time. If the world is preceded by a colored bubble, that means that the world is a public entrance world, anybody can get in. If it's a grayed out bubble, then that has a restricted entrance list. You gotta be on the list to get in. If we scroll down the list, we can see that one world has a little green world icon in it. That's us. That tells you what world you're in. Real world, in world, the portal. It also shows how many users are there. 2. That means somebody's in the world with me. The most common use of this tab is to teleport. If I were to click on another world, say Rouleau 20, it will teleport me into that world provided I'm allowed in. There I am. Let's go back to the portal. The next tab to talk about is the Contact tab. This is like your little black book, your address book. We can add contacts, the people we normally interact with. If we right-click in this field, we can add a new contact. Trick is you have to know the person's name. I'm going to add my alter ego, Dave2, and enter my contact, and there is Dave2. What can I do with Dave2 here? Well, if I right-click on Dave2, then I have a bunch of options, things that handle Dave2. I can send him a telegram. Let's send Dave a telegram, which is just an internal message. Hello, Dave. And we're going to send the telegram. What that does is it puts a note on Dave2's account. So the next time Dave2 logs in, he will get a notice that says he has a telegram waiting. This is a great way to leave a note for your teammates. Speaking of which, we can go to the Telegrams tab. This shows that I sent a telegram to Dave2. If I click on it and open the chat window, it tells me I sent to Dave2, hello Dave. Okay. The next tab is the User Guide tab. If we click on this, this is your online help directory. This has all the relevant information you could possibly want to know about this browser. If we open up subdirectories, for example building and commands, these are all the common commands we could use. So let's look at one. If I click on color, it should open up a wiki page. This is the wiki page that is located on the Active Worlds website. We can resize the window and it has all the information on how to use a given command. Pretty handy. The next tab to look at will be the Voice Chat tab. This tab tells you how to enable your speaker and your microphone so that you can talk amongst yourselves in world. Trick is you have to have somebody to talk to. This shows that there are 2 people that are possibly able to talk to each other, Test 5 and Master the Universe, whom sometimes you can see bouncing in around as he impatiently waits for me. This is the other person that's in the world with me. We will talk about this tab in detail in another video. The last thing to talk about is the Teleport tab. If I bring this up, it is preloaded with a bunch of handy spots that you will want to see and go to as you do your world building. Simply click on them and they will teleport you there. This is the quick run through of the tab section. I hope that you find it helpful.